Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, I wanted to share with y'all a Victorinox gift set. And this particular gift set is a team up between Victorinox and Cross Pens. So as you can see, this is a Victorinox Cross Pen set. Let me show y'all all the packaging and whatnot. And as you can see, there's a price tag on it of $29.99. Which is, I guess, not an unreasonable price considering what you get, because you're getting a classic and you're getting a cross pen. Let's take a look at the back. So the usual Victorinox stuff. Congratulations for y'all getting a lot of glare. I'm sure. Can y'all see that better? Congratulations for suggesting the Victorinox original knife and suggested maintenance and stuff like that. Alright, so let's open this thing up and take a look at it. This is some serious plastic. I feel like this is, they do not want this getting, like, they don't want you accidentally opening this or intentionally opening it to swipe the pen. Wow, this is serious plastic. I'm actually kind of glad I'm wearing gloves right now. Alright. So that gets us in here. We'll get this thing out. So we'll take a look at that in a minute. Doesn't seem like there's any, I don't see any kind of like copyright anything, but it can't be too old. I don't see any dates anywhere. Anyway, kind of neat. Alright, so here's the set itself. You get a little clamshell case to hold it, which is neat. And you have that. And then you get, I'll tell you the thing that I really like about this, and I didn't exactly notice it until just now. I'm gonna pop that out. There we go. Is they match. They're both the translucent red. So you get a cross pen. Let me grab a sheet of paper and we'll try out the cross pen. Alright, so this is the Victorinox Cross Pen gift set. Alright, it's pretty good. They actually look really good together. I know it's kind of hard to tell with the lighting and all, but they are very much an exact match. And that's one thing that I always kind of like, is trying to match up my everyday carry stuff. And I haven't seen anything that jumped out at me that matched the translucent red scales until now. That's awesome. So this is just a normal classic. It's a classic SD with the, you know, the little screwdriver tip there. I tell you what, this is one of those things that I think that if I saw like the blue one, like a blue one with the blue translucent scales and blue pen, I'd probably get a blue one, a green one, all the colors. Anyway, neat looking. What do y'all think? Do you like the matchingness of it? And y'all can get a closer look at that. Yeah, it's pretty. I mean, it's really nice looking. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.